Hey everyone, it's Dagukan here. Who doesn't love the idea of making money while you sleep? That's the beauty of passive income. And today, we're diving into the world of AI to make that dream a reality. Welcome to our beginner's guide on how to make passive income with AI. We'll break it down, so even if you're new to AI, you can start taking advantage of this incredible technology. In this video, we'll explore 5 ways you can leverage AI to create passive income streams. 1. AI-powered investments. 2. Automated online businesses. 3. AI-driven content creation. 1. AI-based market analysis. 5. AI-enhanced customer service. So grab your notebooks, get comfy, and let's unlock the power of AI together. Okay, before we jump into the strategies, let's make sure we're all on the same page. What exactly is AI? In the simplest terms, it's like giving a computer a brain, teaching it to think and learn like we do, but at warp speed. Imagine having a tireless worker who can analyze massive amounts of data, spot trends, and even create content, all on autopilot. It can automate tasks, optimize your strategies, and open doors to new income opportunities. So whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, understanding AI is key to unlocking a world of passive income potential. Let's kick things off with a strategy we all know and love. Affiliate marketing, promote other people's products and earn a commission on every sale. Simple enough, right? But here's where AI comes in. Imagine an AI assistant that analyzes your audience, figures out what products they're most likely to buy, and crafts personalized recommendations. AI can automate your email campaigns, track your results, and optimize your strategies to maximize your earnings. So if you're into affiliate marketing or thinking about it, AI is your secret weapon to supercharging your efforts. Chapter 3, AI-generated content, your 24/7 content machine. Content is king, but creating high-quality content takes time and effort. AI can now help you create engaging blog posts, social media updates, even full-blown ebooks and courses almost entirely on autopilot. Tons of AI content creation tools can help you generate high-quality, original content in a fraction of the time. Think about it, a constant stream of fresh content flowing to your website, social media channels, or online course platforms, all powered by AI. This means more traffic, more leads, and ultimately more passive income for you. Chapter 4, AI in stock market trading. Outsmart the market. Now let's talk about investing, specifically using AI to potentially outsmart the stock market. AI-powered trading platforms use complex algorithms to analyze market trends, identify profitable trades, and execute those trades automatically. You still need to do your own research and understand the risks involved. But AI can be a powerful tool for taking the emotion out of trading and potentially maximizing your returns. So if you're looking for a way to potentially grow your wealth passively, AI-powered trading is worth exploring. Remember, always invest wisely and stay informed. Chapter 5, AI-driven e-commerce, your online sales superhero. Have you ever thought about starting your own online business? AI can be your secret weapon in the e-commerce world. From automating customer service to personalizing the shopping experience, AI is changing the game. Imagine an AI-powered chatbot that answers customer questions, processes orders, and recommends products 24/7. AI can also analyze your sales data, identify your best-selling products, and predict future trends so you can stay ahead of the curve. Whether you're just starting out in e-commerce or you're a seasoned pro, AI can help you streamline your operations and boost your sales. And there you have it. 5 powerful ways you can use AI to unlock your passive income potential. AI isn't just some futuristic concept. It's here, it's now, and it's ready to revolutionize the way you make money. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on making passive income with AI. Until next time, keep crushing it.